Welcome to our garden. We had this area between the pavers and the fence. We weren't quite sure what we were going to do with it. We come up with an idea, and when I redecked my big equipment trailer, I bought the lumber a little long. There were 6 foot over length pieces of 2x8s, and the scrap pieces I used and made these raised beds. Filled them up with some good compost and decided that everything in the backyard we would try to make edible, which I believe we pretty well done a pretty good job of it. Got a key lime tree, except for the poinsettias back there from Christmas. We just planted them back here. Hate to throw those away. See what happens. Muscadine grapes on this trellis back here, and we have a Myers lemon and a lychee fruit tree, which is really starting to put out some nice growth. Sure we won't get anything from it this year, but maybe next year we'll have a little bit. Do have some lemons here though. They're little. There'll be quite a few. See how that turns out. Got some heirloom tomatoes that I've grown from seed that I ordered. Cherokee purple, black crim, mortgage lifters. We have some cherry tomatoes. Quite a few different varieties we have in here. Everything we have is heirloom except these 2 Sweet 100 tomatoes here. We got those from Home Depot. I've been getting a few tomatoes off of them already. But the onions, the lettuce, got some bell pepper starts right there. I will separate those here in the next couple of days and get them planted in their own spot. But yeah, we got them all. Everything's heirloom, so we can. I'll let some of them go to seed, and that way we'll have our seeds for next year. And I think we'll get a few better plants. The more you plant them in your area, the better you'll get growth. So we'll see what we got going on here. And this little spot here, I've got some moringa trees. I'm gonna keep those in pots, and it seems like they grow pretty wild, so I'm going to try to keep them contained. I got one in a big pot here, a couple of them growing. Yeah, it's supposed to be called the Tree of Life. We'll see how it is. You can dry the leaves and grind them up, put them in your food, cook with them. You can eat the seeds, you can eat the pods, the seed pods before they're mature. Yeah, we'll give it a try. It's supposed to be really good for you. And here I have some there's some mint back there and some milkweed. That's for the butterflies, monarch butterflies. Can't hardly keep the milkweed around here because they eat it up so fast. And right here we have some dwarf kale, which is heirloom. Some zucchini. You can see some carrots poking out here and there. We'll see how they do. And some more carrots. Snap peas, sugar snap peas growing in here. We'll see how they come up. And jalapeno peppers. Some more carrots around the perimeter. And that's some parsley, which is really growing nice. But yeah, everything back here is edible and mulched around, keep the weeds down. You notice I have no grass anywhere. I cannot stand grass. Nothing is grass around here. And a shallow well I'm working on. I'll make a video of that. I'm gonna see how this is going to work. I'm only down 4 feet right now just to get my casing down. I'm probably going to add another. That's 8 foot. I'm going to add maybe another 5 or 6 feet to that. Get it down in the ground before I put my 1¼ inch pipe in there. I'm going to drill that with a 2 inch and try to go down at least 20 to 25 feet, maybe farther, see how far I can go down, and then drop a 1.25 inch in there with a foot valve on it. And I got a red pitcher pump. I'm gonna put a T in the pipe, the 1.25 inch, so I can put an electric pump on there. That way I can use it with electric, or if I need to, I'll be able to hand pump water out. We'll get it tested, see if it's potable. Pretty sure it will be. We'll see. But yeah, we're working on that. And there actually is, at 4 feet, there is water down there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. But I just dug that with a post hole digger to get this thing started. Yeah, we'll keep going. I want to get some other trees in here. I want to get a couple of Cattley Gauvas, and I got a Surinam cherry ordered, so I can get a couple of them started. And that'll just about be enough for this area right in here. But yeah, this is our garden, and I think we made pretty good use of this small area that we have here. What do you think? Not too bad? Alright guys, short video. Talk to you later. Bye.